When Claude works from a structured plan to build a feature, the basic flow looks like this. 1. Understands the plan before touching code. Claude reads through the full plan first, the goal, the scope, any constraints, tech stack, style conventions, files to touch or avoid, rather than jumping straight to the first line item. If anything is ambiguous or conflicts with what's actually in the codebase, that gets resolved early rather than discovered halfway through. 2. Surveys the existing codebase. Before writing anything, Claude looks at relevant existing files, how similar features are structured, what patterns/conventions are already in use, what dependencies are available. This keeps the new feature consistent with the rest of the project instead of introducing a foreign style. 3. Breaks the plan into concrete steps. Even a well-structured plan usually needs translating into an ordered sequence of actual changes, which files to create or edit, in what order, and what each step depends on. Claude typically works bottom-up, data layer, logic interface, or in whatever order minimizes broken intermediate states. 4. Implements incrementally. Rather than writing everything at once, Claude tends to build in small verifiable chunks, implement a piece, check it makes sense, move on. This makes it easier to catch a wrong turn early instead of after a huge diff. 5. Verifies as it goes. Where possible, run the code, run tests, check for lint/type errors, or at least reread the diff critically. If the project has an existing test suite, Claude runs it rather than assuming the change is correct. 6. Reconciles against the original plan. At the end, Claude checks the finished work against the plan's stated goals. Did it do what was asked? Are there gaps? Did anything get skipped or silently reinterpreted? Deviations from the plan are worth flagging explicitly rather than left implicit in the diff. 7. Summarizes clearly. Rather than just dumping code, a good finish states what was built, what files changed, and anything the person should know, new dependencies, follow-up steps, known limitations. Join us for more Claude support on your journey. There is a lot to learn, so keep watching.